My name's Scott McGoy. We're standing on top of the Music City Center vegetated roof in Nashville, Tennessee. I work for Green Rise Technologies, based out of Murfreesboro, Tennessee. We do vegetated roofs across the country. We built this roof in 2012 as part of the Convention Center construction project.
My name's Charles Starks, and I'm the president and CEO of the Music City Center in Nashville, Tennessee. As we were looking at sustainable ideas for the building, we certainly wanted to achieve a rainwater collection system.
A stormwater system is designed to take a lot of water, but it's not designed to take a lot of water fast. So what this particular roof does is this slows down the rain event to the drains. And then this particular building also has a 365,000 gallon cistern.
We use that water to both irrigate all of our landscaping, whether it be on the roof or around the facility. Probably more importantly from a number, just a volume standpoint, is we use it to flush all the toilets and urinals in the building. So 50% of the water we use in this building is coming from rain off of the roof. In turn, so we're not obviously having to use water the city's having to provide, it's having to be filtered and treated, and as importantly, certainly we're not putting it back in the storm system.
It has multiple benefits other than stormwater retention. One of the things in energy efficiency, the temperatures don't fluctuate up and down as much as they would if it were just exposed membrane. And then also the roofing membrane is lengthened under the vegetated roof areas. The biggest degraders of a roofing membrane are UV exposure and freeze-thaw heating and cooling cycles. And so since there's not that many heat fluctuations, or not as great of a heat fluctuation underneath the vegetated areas, the building owner will save in membrane replacement cost.
Also important to us was that when you came up and saw the Music City Center, that it didn't look like a big concrete warehouse. We've got a lot of folks that live downtown Nashville, work downtown Nashville, and they're looking out on our roof every day. So we wanted to also be architecturally appealing, and we think we've achieved that.
The roof is shaped to mimic the rolling hills of Tennessee. And so you have a lot of negative uplift. So we had a minimum weight we had to have, and then we had a maximum weight. And so we had 12 and 18 pounds as our minimum and maximum. So the engineered growing medium is designed to release the water, or allow the water to flow at a certain rate and only to retain a certain weight, so we could stay within those weight constraints of the building.
One of the real side benefits for us that probably wasn't originally thought of as much, was that one of the things you're concerned about in buildings is most folks think of wind damage and things that are coming through to what it's going to blow down. But when you got a 16-acre roof, you're also very concerned about roof uplift. We can get some winds in Nashville. If that roof were to go flying across town, it becomes a bit of an issue. And so usually what you do is you have steel that ties the roof down. The weight of the green roof also provided ballast for us that helped keep the roof in place as it sits there. So not only did it save us a lot on energy, and what we're looking to do aesthetically, we think it's pretty cool looking. Let's just be real.
We have beehives here, there's birds all over this roof. It does in an inner city urban environment create another space for animals to be.
We're really happy to our newest addition, and we don't think the bees are the end of our sustainable efforts and what we're continuing to introduce to the building. As we find ways to do better at composting, better at whatever it may be on recycling, we continue to move forward in those areas. So I don't think it'll be the last you hear of us.